7 things that work like a miracle if you do them daily. What if I told you that your life could change, not by luck, not by magic, but by 7 simple actions you can start today? These are not theories. They are proven habits that silently rebuild broken lives, restore confidence, and awaken hidden strength. If you do these 7 things consistently, your life will never remain the same. Stay till the end because number 7 is the most powerful. The 7 miracle-working things. 1. Silence before noise. Stillness. The world is loud, but growth happens in silence. Every morning, before you touch your phone, before the noise enters your mind, sit in silence. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. In that silence, your thoughts settle, your anxiety weakens, your direction becomes clear. Stillness is not emptiness, it is preparation. The people who win in life are not the loudest, they are the most centered. 2. Speak life over yourself daily. Your life follows your words. When you say, "I am tired," your strength fades. When you say, "I can't," your ability shuts down. But when you declare, "I am growing, I am capable, I am becoming better," your mind begins to obey. Speak life, even when you don't feel it yet, because feelings follow words, not the other way around. 3. Do one hard thing every day. Comfort builds weakness. Challenge builds power. Every day, choose one hard thing. Make the call, finish the task, wake up earlier. Not because it's easy, but because discipline compounds. Small, hard choices today prevent painful regrets tomorrow. Growth does not come from motivation, it comes from obedience to effort. 4. Feed your mind before entertainment. What you consume shapes who you become. Before scrolling, read. Before gossip, learn. Before entertainment, feed your spirit. A book, a message, a word of truth. Strong minds are built intentionally. If you don't control what enters your mind, the world will decide for you. 5. Practice gratitude even in pain. Gratitude is not denial of pain, it is defiance against despair. When you give thanks, even with tears in your eyes, your heart shifts from lack to hope. Gratitude doesn't change the past, but it gives you strength to rewrite the future. 6. Move your body to awaken your mind. Your body and mind are connected. When your body is stagnant, your thoughts become heavy. Walk, stretch, move. You don't need perfection, just motion. Movement releases stress, awakens creativity, and reminds your soul that you are alive. A moving body creates a moving future. 7. Pray or reflect with intention. When life feels overwhelming, you don't need answers, you need alignment. Prayer, reflection, meditation. This is where strength is renewed. You are not weak for seeking help. You are powerful for knowing you don't walk alone. If you practice these 7 things daily, something will change. Not overnight, but permanently. Growth is quiet. Transformation is gradual. But one day you will look back and realize the miracle was consistency. Subscribe to the Inner Rise TV because your rise begins from within.